Yo, big up yourself, guys. This is Lord High, the Dad from the Dadzlife YouTube channel, and you don't know today is a very big day because today I found out that I made the list of the top 250 YouTubers in Jamaica. Yeah, guys, you did that for me. You showed love and shared the videos, liked the videos, subscribed to the channel, and made it possible. So I'm on the list of the top 250 YouTubers in Jamaica. That include Popcorn, Sizzler, the Marleys, everybody, and I'm on that list. They don't exclude musicians and people that just putting out music videos, as well as labels different from vloggers. Everybody is on one list. So the people them that doing social commentary, the people them that just releasing music videos, all of them is on one list, and I made the list, guys. Top 250 YouTubers in Jamaica. Big up on yourself for all the support, all the love. You don't know. Lord, I the Dad from the Dadzlife YouTube channel. I couldn't feel much more blessed than that. And I'm very humbled by the people. Bless up yourself every time. You don't know. Boom.